What is up, guys? I'm Journey to Dr. B with the DMD. If you're new to the channel, check it out on YouTube. Please check out my other episodes, my past episodes the past couple years. I've been documenting my journey into dental school as well as document my journey through dental school as well. And hopefully I can bring some more videos to you guys. So today I wanted to talk about just some of the things that have been going on in my life and some of the things I've been working on. So far, I have a lot of great things going. I've been shadowing other dentists outside of dental school. I've been playing a lot of tennis. I've been really exercising a lot more, been eating healthier, getting in shape, spending more time with family and friends. So one great thing is that I finished the semester fairly strong at the end of the semester, and I'm happy to tackle this semester with just as much veracity and intensity as I did last year, even with all the struggles going on with the pandemic. So everything's going well. School is busy. I'm a lot busier in class and in lab, but I'm enjoying it. I love the lab work. That's what I came here to do. I had my first patient this past Friday, and that's Friday, September 3rd, and I gotta tell you, the feeling I got after that is exactly why I'm doing what I'm doing now, and I'm so excited to keep going on this journey and learning more and finding out more about this experience and telling you guys, you know, it's all worth it in the end. There's a light at the end of the tunnel of whatever you want to do. As long as you know it's what you really want to do, and all the struggles that you go before it, I'm seeing the light that it will all pay off, and I'm excited to see where I go with everything that's going on in my life right now. So yeah, everything's going well and I can't complain about anything right now at this moment. So but yeah, the only thing I can complain about is me not posting more YouTube videos, because I know you guys have been watching and waiting for these videos and I haven't been posting, so I apologize for that. I will do my best to keep posting. I know I've apologized in the past and I posted a couple videos and I kind of stopped, but you know, I had to have that time to really think about what I was doing with school and making sure I get through it. So, but yeah, so back to it, guys. You're gonna see more of me in the future, so keep watching and hit that like and subscribe button. And I love to see you guys. Comment down below what kind of video you'd like to see. If there's anything you want to see from me, please let me know. All right, guys, see y'all later.